I'm about to get strapped up for that POV. I'm about to make it look good. Hold on. So when you see me running, you're gonna see exactly what I'm seeing, because I'm gonna be scared. Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
Oh, there it is.
That's it.
Yo.
I'm excited, bro. I'm fucking ready.
Hey, look, the sun's going down. You know what we in for. Is there anybody in there?
And the farmers. Only at night. Because if they see us, they shoot our direction.
Hey, you know what the fuck going on?
No, I don't know what's going on.
It's some MBM shit. We about to fuck it up. You locked in with the fucking wildest ghost hunters in all of Colusa County. We about to go figure out what the fuck going on at the Diamond Match Factory. That place was opened up in like 1920 something. Closed down in like 1950 something. Bunch of people died there. Little kids, bad workforce. You know how it was. They made little kids smoke cigarettes and work, and people were falling off balconies and death. Let's go figure it out. No comment.
Dude, I'm low-key crying inside. You know what? I'm gonna go with these emos right here.
Oh god.
Hey!
Bro! Alright.
No!
Supposedly right up here, I guess. This does not look
Out of
like
dead
outskirts
end.
of town, bro. What the fuck is going on?
Yeah, I'm kinda scared. I don't wanna go. You know, you should
Oh yeah, that's scary. Oh yeah, we're gonna get fucked.
Bro.
We're fucked. Bro, he's walking right to there, bro.
He's walking right.
Oh, they have it really closed off, bro. Fuck.
You're gonna have to jump?
Trespassing. No trespassing. I think that's why they got shot at.
Can we go through there? Or is that fenced? I don't know if it looks
Can we go?
I don't know if we should go through there.
Should I walk out there?
There's a car coming. Hold on.
Frick it. There's a car right there. What do we do?
I didn't know this was what we were gonna encounter.
Is there other way around?
Hold on, bro. We're not gonna go anywhere. But there's no point in walking on the road that we're not going. It's like crazy like that. Especially if people got shot at, bro. I'm getting kind of nervous, boys.
I'm not. So you know what? If I land this, we're going. Let's go.
Hey,
What?
how did your friends get in here when they were getting shot at? Before we go in, if someone who said they've been here and they've been shot at before, you should probably ask them, yo, like, did you just go through the
You
front?
don't think there's a house in there? Shh. What do they have dogs?
Oh my god. What if they have fucking dogs? I'm not trying to get bit.
People on the property. Oh. So we're good.
So the farmers are gonna shoot in our direction. There's security guards that are coming around to check it out, and we should really watch out for the hobos.
And the farmers. Only at night. Because if they see us, they shoot our direction.
Yeah, only at night when they don't see us, they hear us, they shoot in that direction. When they see us during the day, they're gonna see us and shoot in our direction. Fuck, bro, what the fuck, Angel?
Let's go! She said we'll be fine right now. I'm like, well, if I go right now. She's like, you should be fine. It's all good.
Bro, the more that I think about this, the less that I like this. I have all my good jujus. I got my bad eyes. I got my... Man, I'm scared. Y'all gonna be tripping. He's right.
Smile, you're on camera. That's a good sign.
I'm about to get strapped up for that POV. I'm about to make it look good. Hold on. So when you see me running, you're gonna see exactly what I'm seeing, because I'm gonna be scared. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. So we thought we could pull right up to the Matchbox factory in Chico, but it was locked off. We got suited and booted. Angel's right here posted up. Got my boy Hernan. And we're just waiting to see how the fuck we're gonna get in. And this place is supposed to be scary, but we're about to find out. We're about to find out if we can get in.
No trespassing. Smile, you're on camera.
It's locked up. I'm strapped up though. We're strapped up, so we're about to find out how we're gonna get in.
If we get 100 likes on this, dude, we'll go explore more places.
Definitely more scary places. Let us know where you want us to go. We're trying to figure out where to go.
Leave them in the
I
comments.
ain't gonna say like 1,000 or more, cause I know we ain't there yet. So 100 likes, we'll hit that.
So let us know where to go regardless, cause we're trying to pop out and find some scary ass places. So tap in.
Yup.
I think we're gonna go. So he got a call or a Snapchat, or he figured out right before coming over here that apparently his friends were getting shot at the last time they were trying to go in there. So we either are gonna get the cops called on us, or we're gonna get shot at, or the ghosts are gonna fucking get us and give us the heebie-jeebies and follow us home. But it's for your entertainment.
Got the good stuff right here just in case. Censored vision only.
Oh, there it is.
What's here?
Oh,
Y'all,
walk off straight that way, bro, just to get to it.
he really whipping it.
I'm excited, bro. I'm fucking ready.
So they shoot people.
No, they shoot towards you just to scare you away.
Or like they shoot in your direction if they hear you or they see the light.
Hey, look, the sun's going down. You know what we in for?
This is sketch, dude. 7-Eleven wasn't
That's wicked. We got the videographer, night vision camera. He's gonna be able to pick up all that fucking freaky shit that our eyes can't see. All walks of life that living and dead. If we didn't give up, we found our way in, bruh. Yeah, bro.
Yo, get in. I swear to God, I heard something else. Yo, he ain't playing. Yo, this scares so much.
Look right here.
Yo, someone's trying to flashlight. Let's go. Hey, someone needs to be my light. Yo, there's some type of like witchcraft over here or something.
What is this place, bro? Why is this building here? Did it used to be a break room? Or?
Oh my God, bro. Hold on, let me bring the LED out.
Yeah.
Bring the LED.
No, it's like really warm.
Whoa, that scared me right away. What is that?
Hold on. Duke, stop by. What if we see something?
If someone just pokes it up.
See it? People come in and chill, dude.
And I'm heavy.
You heard it? Like,
Yeah.
It's almost like someone raking, like right
Yeah.
there. Like,
Yeah, for real, I heard that. I can enhance the audio.
It was either a weird ass screeching bird or like it sounded like someone raped us. There's a hole. Oh, it's lit.
This looks too easy to go in.
This is it.
Yo, there's bats in here.
Everything's making me a little like, what's that? Not even necessarily paranormally, more so like I don't want to get shot. You feel me? But the energy in here feels like one, adrenaline, but two, kind of like, I feel suppressed in here. Shit feels really warm and like,
Yeah.
shit feels weird. That wasn't a bat. If there's any lost, hurt, abandoned, disgruntled spirits, make a sound or make yourself known. Other than the bat noises, can you make a physical sound or present noise?
There's a rock on the ground.
Yo, it sounds like something's creaking.
You hear all the creaking, bro?
Yeah.
If there's anyone watching, can you please make a footstep or move something or make a sound?
Dude's tripping.
Anybody suffer a fall or mistreatment? Was anybody pushed?
Ooh.
You heard that one?
Yeah. Oh, I caught an orb. I caught an orb. I swear to God, yeah, I caught. There's another orb.
I thought they were at my car.
We MBM flicks. We only run with a small group. Who's down to go on that ladder?
Holy shit. This better get 300.
Angel dies. That's the caption.
Quick, babe.
Do a backflip.
Yeah, do it back up. Kind of sucked. But it can't work it. I could, but.
We about to go to those buildings. No, but I felt a cool breeze.
Like a Rona in there?
I swore I felt.
What is that, bro?
Is there anybody in there?
Yo, I thought I saw a shadow.
Is there anybody in there? Hold on, but what? No way. Is there any spirits or hurt souls, lost, abandoned, disgruntled? Is there anybody other than me, Angel, Isaiah, and Adnan here? Is there anything that anyone in here has to say other than me, Adnan, Isaiah, and Angel? To any souls still trapped in this room who slaved it in these big heavy pipes, how was it?
Didn't you say like he had a shack or something and he saw a dog In the back, yeah. I'm gonna house next door. Literally something like this. This little outhouse. My pop says that he was renovating a new house that he bought that connected to our old house. And like, if you believe in shapeshifters or like something like that, this is what I think it was. He said that they kept seeing a white dog all the time. Everybody kept seeing a white dog and no one could get rid of it. No one owned it. No one could catch it. One day my dad was drinking with his brother. They were renovating the house, renovating the backyard, and they were going out to the outhouse, and my dad said he saw the white dog. He started chasing after it, and he was drinking. He was drunk a little bit. Started chasing after it, and the dog like goes through the fucking door like some Harry Potter, like going through the brick wall type shit. And when my dad kind of stopped at the door like dumbfounded, because he was like, how
is it possible?
And he like pulled open the door and he saw some old dude like in the shack. This is not the same shack, by the way. In the shack, just in the corner, like in a fetal position, just like dry heaving, and he was like naked. So what the fuck? Too much alcohol, shapeshifter. It's all about perspective, and I'll leave it up to you to decide.
Fucking tripping. I guess they don't want us to find him.
I'm getting hella hot again, and I'm not just worked up. It got like really warm. That's weird though, because when they say you feel like a presence, it's supposed to be like cold.
Yo, there's a mist that flew by you.
Every time that I feel weird, bro, I haven't felt a cold. When I start feeling uncomfortable, I start getting really like warm, bro.
There's something wrong with this tree.
Hey, should we go over there? This tree is like the only one with the clearing, and it's abandoned as fuck, bro. I see we need to get back. I feel like someone's watching us. I feel like we're being watched. We're going to that abandoned building right there. We've already explored the whole place. Are you guys ready? Welcome to Hell on Earth. Welcome to Hell on Earth. Fuck. Oh, what the fuck? That was me, I tripped. I got scared.
Is anyone here? How many people are here with us? 4.
4! Oh shit! Hey, and there's only 3 of us. I swear to God, there's only 3 of us, bro. What the?